Speaking about ChatGPT.
Here are some frequently asked questions about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is built on a deep learning architecture called GPT. It has been trained on a vast amount of text data to learn patterns, language structure, and generate coherent responses. What can ChatGPT help me with? ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of tasks, including answering questions, providing explanations, offering suggestions, engaging in conversation, and more. Its capabilities include general knowledge, writing assistance, brainstorming, language learning support, and academic help. How accurate is ChatGPT? ChatGPT strives to provide accurate and helpful responses, but it may occasionally generate incorrect or nonsensical answers. It's important to critically evaluate the information provided by ChatGPT and cross-reference it with reliable sources. Can ChatGPT think like a human? ChatGPT does not have human-like consciousness or independent thinking. It generates responses based on patterns it has learned from the training data. While it can simulate human-like conversation, it lacks true understanding and personal experiences. Are there limitations to ChatGPT? Yes, ChatGPT has limitations. It may produce plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. It can be sensitive to the phrasing of questions and may provide different responses for slight variations. It can also be verbose and overuse certain phrases. Can ChatGPT provide medical, legal, or financial advice? No, ChatGPT should not be used as a substitute for professional advice. It does not have access to real-time data, and its responses should not be considered as authoritative or specific to individual situations. Consult professionals in those fields for personalized guidance. How can I improve my interaction with ChatGPT? To get better results, try to ask clear and specific questions. If the response is not what you expected, you can rephrase or provide additional context to guide ChatGPT. Feel free to ask for clarification or request more examples when needed. Is ChatGPT available on other platforms? Yes, ChatGPT is accessible through the OpenAI API, which allows developers to integrate it into various applications and platforms. OpenAI also offers a web interface where users can directly interact with ChatGPT. How is user privacy handled with ChatGPT? As an AI language model, ChatGPT retains the information shared during the conversation to generate coherent responses. However, OpenAI is committed to user privacy and handles data in accordance with its privacy policy.
A final general advice. Remember that while ChatGPT aims to be helpful, it's important to exercise critical thinking and verify information from reliable sources. If you like to receive more interesting videos, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching and share this video.